How to sign up or create an account on Hulu TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from HelpDeck. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can sign up or create an absolutely free account on Hulu TV app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. All you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and then launch the Hulu TV application on your phone. If you've not already downloaded it, you can just go to your respective app store in order to download the Hulu application. If you don't find a Hulu application on the list of these, then you can also simply go ahead and then search for it using the app library section. So I'll just go ahead and type in Hulu over here. As you do so, just launch the Hulu application. Now if you already do have an account, then it's very simple. You just need to tap on the sign in button in order to sign into your account. Or else what you could do is tap on the option that says start your free trial over here. So over here you simply want to actually go ahead and then choose any of your payment method and your subscription plan. You have 1 week free trial, which means for absolutely free. You don't have to pay it for 1 week, but after that you're going to get deducted from your credit card balance or whatever type of payment methods you've added on it. Just go ahead and select your plan. I'll just select the $7.99 a month, and you also have $14.99 a month with no ads, of course. Just select any of the plans that you see fit and go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and keep in mind, make sure to have access to this email address. If you don't, then it is going to be difficult for you to verify later on. After that, you also want to simply enter your password and tap on the I button on the right hand side in order to choose a new password for yourself. And enter your birth date, your gender, agree to the terms and conditions. At the bottom, tap on the create my account button. Once you tap on create my account button at the bottom of the screen, it will take you to a page where you can verify with the payment method. So make sure that you also have access to that specific payment method, your credit card details, your debit card details, or your maybe let's say a PayPal account. And once you've done so, you will have successfully subscribed for Hulu subscription. As of moment, which means as of this video is actually being made, you basically have 1 week free trial, but there's no guarantee that you could have a 1 week free trial when you're signing up for it as well, so just be aware of that. But hope this video helped you in either way as to how you can create an account on Hulu. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.